Hey everybody, it's Neil. I'm heading out on vacation soon and I don't want to be carrying, have to carry my wallet and everything and all my stuff all the time. So I got myself this. This here is it here. This is by WATERFLY and it is like a little fanny pack or pack that you can wear it however, like those sideways ones, which is probably how I'll wear it so I don't look quite so dorky, I guess. But let's see what we got here. Let's make it looser. And there, it's gonna get pretty, I'm way off, but okay. So this is a certain length. Oh, I don't know, actually this might be the right length for me. So there we go. So we have it, it'll fit like that, or you can just wear it as a fanny pack as well. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. It seems a nice, good material. It almost seems like it could be pretty water resistant as well. I guess with a name like WATERFLY, we are going to be water resistant. Okay, so we have the little pack back here with a little zipper pack. So that's probably where I could stick my wallet. And then up front here, I have a nice good zipper pouch here where I can put some of my headphones and things like that in there, probably a little battery pack. And then in this bigger section here, which has a zipper for both sides, so you can zip it all the way, you can put everything in there. I'll probably put my passport back in there. Different things in there. It even has this little key thing, this thing here. This is great to hook onto your keychain. So your keys, sometimes you open your bag and keys fall out. They won't fall out if you have them connected up to this. This here has some little mesh area here for some wires and whatnot. So it's a nice bag. So this is going to be good. So this will be good for traveling around. I'm going to Thailand is where I'm headed. So I'll be able to take this with me to Thailand. And I will have all my stuff nice and handy with a few different zipper pouches, which is good because you don't always want to open everything all at the same time. And it looks good, nice and black, basic black, which is what I like. The strap is nice and thick. And you saw totally adjustable. The length I had it, I could even go larger if I wanted to. And you could wear it around your waist. You could wear it crossbody, whatever you want. And it looks good. It seems like it's well made. Stitching seems good. It is single stitch, but it seems like it's a strong stitch, so it's gonna last. Zippers seem really good. I really like these ones here. The zippers, that's funny, they have their little logo even on the zippers. That's pretty cool. It says WATERFLY and stuff right on there. So they've thought it through and made a really nice looking bag. So I like this one. This is great. Thumbs up for sure.